Hello, little explorers. Welcome back to VKids Animal Kingdom. Today, we are traveling to a cold and snowy place called the Arctic. It is full of ice, wind, and amazing animals. Let's meet one of them together. Hello, little explorers. Today, we are going on a cool and icy adventure. We are traveling to a frozen place called the Arctic. Everything here is white, cold, and shiny with snow. And a very special animal lives here. This animal is big, fluffy, and very strong. It walks slowly on the ice and snow. It looks white, like the snow around it. Can you guess who it is? Yes, it is the amazing polar bear. The polar bear is one of the largest bears on Earth. Some polar bears are even taller than grown-ups when they stand. They have thick fur that keeps them warm all day and night. This fur helps them survive in very cold weather. Polar bears are made for the Arctic. Even though polar bears look white, their skin is black. The black skin helps them stay warm by holding heat. Their fur is thick and fluffy, like a winter jacket. This keeps cold air away from their bodies. That is how polar bears stay cozy in snow. Polar bears live in the Arctic near the North Pole. This place has ice, snow, and freezing water. They love walking on big ice sheets called sea ice. The Arctic is quiet, cold, and beautiful. It is the perfect home for polar bears. The Arctic can be very cold and windy. Sometimes it is dark for many hours. Sometimes the sun shines all day long. Polar bears are used to these changes. They are very strong Arctic animals. Polar bears love to eat fish and seals. Seals live in the cold Arctic water. Polar bears wait patiently near holes in the ice. When a seal comes up, the polar bear finds food. They are very clever hunters. After eating, polar bears like to rest. They lie down on the ice or snow. Sometimes they roll around and play. Polar bears enjoy quiet and calm moments. Rest helps them save energy. Polar bears are excellent swimmers. They can swim for many hours without stopping. Their strong arms help them move through cold water. They use swimming to travel between ice pieces. Swimming helps them find food and new places. The paws of a polar bear are very special. They are wide and strong, like snowshoes. This helps the bear walk on slippery ice. Their paws also help them swim better. Polar bears use their paws every day. Baby polar bears are called cubs. Cubs are born very small and cute. They stay close to their mother to stay warm. Mother bears protect their cubs carefully. Families are very important to polar bears. Polar bears have an amazing sense of smell. They can smell food from very far away. Even under thick snow, they can find seals. Their nose helps them survive in the Arctic. That is truly amazing. Polar bears do not roar loudly. They make soft sounds like huffs and growls. They use sounds to talk to each other. This helps them stay safe and calm. Polar bears are quiet animals. The Arctic is home to many animals. Polar bears share their home with seals and foxes. They all live together in this cold place. Each animal has a special job in nature. The Arctic is a wonderful world. The polar bear is strong, smart, and gentle. It is one of the most amazing Arctic animals. Learning about animals helps us care for nature. There are many more Arctic animals to meet. We will explore them together. Thank you for joining our icy adventure today. Did you enjoy meeting the polar bear? In our next video, we will meet another Arctic friend. Get ready for more fun learning. See you soon, little explorers. The Arctic is full of wonderful animals. Today, we learned about a very special one. There are many more Arctic friends to meet. Click the next video and keep exploring with us. See you soon, little explorers.